Hi y'all, I'm Brenda with Blessings and Bread. Welcome back to my garden. Today I am going to pull up my beans. We've had cooler weather and they're just done, and I'm going to go ahead and clean that up today. And then it's been about two and a half weeks since I planted my lettuce, so I'm going to plant a second crop, but I'm going to plant these in my strawberry pots. So come along with me today while I work in my garden. Well, I can see now that I am not going to finish in time to plant my lettuce, and I'm not even sure I'll finish before dark. It's been a pretty tedious process to untwine this off of this arbor, and I still have this top part to go. And so I've got to get this done, and then these leaves have just been sticking to me like Velcro. So I think I'll have to come back tomorrow and plant my lettuce. But you can see I've gotten most of the green beans off, and I'm going to keep working until I run out of light. But I'm going to go ahead and stop this video now and just pick it back up either tomorrow or I'll make a different video when I plant my lettuce. Well, it is the next day. I ran out of daylight yesterday. I finished my arbor, cleaning it up and getting all the pole beans off of that, but I didn't have time to plant my lettuce. So this is Saturday. I've come back the next day, and I'm going to try to get that lettuce planted in those strawberry pots today. And I thought I'd also just take time to give you a little quick tour and show you how everything's doing. It's all coming along. My spinach is growing really slowly. Everything grows slowly, but that's just part of a fall garden. My turnip greens, I think, are doing the best. And I think, I'm still going to get a crop, hopefully, before cold weather sets in. Although last week, we almost went down to freezing. We were way below 40 this last week, but these are fall crops and they're supposed to hold up to the cold weather. So we'll just keep watching them, keep our fingers crossed, and hope we get a harvest before it gets too cold. So let's take a quick look at the garden, and then I'll be back and we'll plant those lettuce seeds in my strawberry pots. Okay, these are my strawberry pots, and then I've taken them apart, and so each of them will stack. It ends up making two tall pots. There's 3 sections to each pot, so I'm just going to plant a little lettuce in the corner of each one of these, and then stack them up and keep them watered, and hopefully we'll get some lettuce. I am going to be planting the same varieties of lettuce that I planted in my garden, and this first one is called lettuce red salad bowl. Got tape on the keep them from spilling. I think they were spilling anyway. I can't get the tape off my hand. Good grief. Just put it right there. So it won't take many seeds in this pot, but I'm just going to sprinkle a few around. I can always thin them out later. So in each one of these little round areas, I'm just going to sprinkle a few seeds. Then I'm just going to gently cover them up with some soil, just a little bit. And then I'll water this down, and these will hopefully produce some lettuce. And I love the red salad bowl lettuce, so I am going to plant a couple of these. So my strawberry pots are now planted with a second crop of lettuce, and I'll keep these watered, and hopefully they'll germinate in a few days, and I'll have a second crop of lettuce. And Oreo, come here. Here, Oreo. Oreo's out here keeping me company and barking. There's kids playing over on the church lot. I think they're having a birthday party. Come on. Come on. She's being shy today. No, you're not going to come? Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've enjoyed making it for you and sharing my garden with you again. And I hope I see you the next time I'm in my garden, on my porch, or in my kitchen.